are you all? Hope you guys are doing wonderful. And today I'm going to talk about something which is very easy, but sometimes we forget how to accomplish it, and that is how to make your home look luxe, more expensive, more with the trend. And with some small easy hacks, I'm just going to help you make your home from a regular run-of-the-mill to an exclusive luxe living experience. So without wasting any more time, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's begin. Okay, so before starting, I just want to give you a heads up that I have done my interior decoration course, and I have learned about certain things which I had a bent from the very beginning, and I really like beautiful things around me, and I want to keep them looking beautiful. I keep reinventing things, so that is something which I am keen to do on a very like a daily basis. And with that thought, I just try to tell you that whenever you see any place which is beautiful, luxe, high-end, what you see is it is decluttered and it is simple lines. So what I'm just trying to tell you, I'm not trying to tell you that you have to be a minimal person, but I'm just trying to tell you to just get rid of all the clutter that is in your house. आपके घर में जो भी सामान है, जो भी चीज़ें हैं जो clutter create करती हैं या एक के ऊपर एक stack करके आपने रखी हुई हैं, make sure you keep things in a very minimal fashion, things which you actually need, and do this kind of tour of your own space every other week, or maybe if you don't have time, every month, so that you can clearly demarcate that what you actually need and what is just cluttering your space. So throw out all those old magazines, newspapers, or maybe some toys or something which you don't use anymore with your kids or any other people who are just stacking things around your house. You just don't need them. Throw them away and make a clutter-free, clean home. So enough of this. Now I would just like to tell you that there is a simple thing which we tend to forget, and that is plants or fresh flowers, anything that is living and that adds life to your living space. So any plants which are like house plants you can keep in your room. The thing is that if they don't need a lot of sunlight, you can keep it in those spaces. Sometimes you need to water them regularly, and you can switch to plants which don't need water as often if you are that kind of person who tends to forget. But the thing is, fresh flowers or such pieces, such things bring life to your space and make them look luxe. One thing that you need to make sure is don't put them in any ways. If you're putting your flowers or if you're putting your plants in anything, it has to be a nice cohesive thing to your room, your living space, whether it's a living room, drawing room, dining, or maybe your bedroom. It has to go in sync with your whole theme. Other one which is very important is sometimes we buy things from local market, and they are good, very handy, very efficient in whatever requirement we think that they will suffice. But क्या होता है कि वो पीस हमारी लुक को मैच नहीं करता, हमारी स्पेस को मैच नहीं करता. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ बाइंग a lot of things, small things which are on sale, or maybe you have some credit, or you have some amount left in your account for that particular store, buy a exclusive piece, buy one piece, but it has to be an exclusive piece. Don't buy random things. The cushion ले लिया या कोई stool ले लिया, कोई ऐसा random rug ले लिया. Buy things which are nice, which are exclusive, and it might be little bit expensive, but it will just elevate the whole room's experience. It will make it look more luxe and high-end. So buy something which is nice. And also the other part which goes with it is buy things from local market, but switch the hardware. sometimes the hinges are not very nice, so you can switch the hinges to a more luxe hinge, or maybe the knobs on them. What you can do is switch the knobs to more copperish tones, more golden tones, or maybe matte black. Just spray them with a matte black color and it instantly makes your whole space look very chic. So just by adding these small touches to your hardware will make your whole space look more cohesive and more beautiful. So one thing which I'm also working upon right now, I am trying to make my whole kitchen space, my whole area, the pantry area more in sync. For that, what you need to do is you just want to switch the packaging in which the product comes to one packaging in the whole kitchen. Maybe you buy some pulses, maybe you buy some random grocery stuff which you store in the same box which it comes in. Instead of doing that, switch it to the containers which are similar, and all the containers looking similar in your kitchen space or pantry space will look in sync. So what I'm doing is I'm buying all whites because I am that kind of a person who likes everything clean. So white is kind of a cleaner tone, so whatever boxes, whatever containers I'm buying for whatever use I'm buying in whites. So it's a neutral color, it matches all the things and it's easy to access. You can buy whites in all shapes and sizes, so you can also do that. Buy containers in one color, if not same design, you can buy it in one color. And you have various requirements. What you can do is sometimes we need the instructions from the package. You can cut that and paste it on those boxes, or you can write the expiry date on the container with a sticker. And that's how your whole kitchen, your whole pantry, or maybe if you are putting your snacks somewhere, you can put it in similar boxes. It will make it looks more appealing to the eye and definitely more luxe. Another one which I would like to talk about is switch to more cleaner look, more defined look. So for that, instead of going in with the whole room being put into one space, divide the whole room in smaller spaces. You can have various spaces allotted for different things. So in your home, divide the home in different portions. Like you can have a reading area, you can have a living area, you can have the same room can have different seatings, like 2 seats, or maybe a bigger chair in one side and a smaller setup on the other side, so that when there is a large gathering, or even if the people are sitting in the same space, they can have different experience in different areas of that space. So even if in a drawing room, you don't have to put the whole set in the room. You can have smaller spaces allotted to different genres, and you can just experiment with the whole thing. You can have a high-end chair in one corner, and then you can have a smaller more cozy sitting on the other corner. So that way it will look more appealing and more functional, and you can enjoy the space better, and definitely it looks really luxe. Next up is switch your whole aesthetic to more pleasing, more appealing look by adding those sheer blinds, or maybe you can add those draperies in front of that. Instead of going for that plastic blind or more officey look, people just buy those and hang it in their rooms or their spaces, but they actually steal from the whole aesthetic of the room. तो आप अगर कोई plastic blinds लगा रहे हैं या कोई ऐसे ही regular ऑफिस टाइप का लुक क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करें, देन इट्स ओके. बट अगर आप एक लिविंग स्पेस में हैं और आप उसको एलिवेट करना चाहते हैं, तो पुट sheer blinds and you can put beautiful drapes above it. और लेयर नहीं करना चाहते तो आप कोई अच्छा फैब्रिक यूज़ कर सकते हैं, so that the whole space looks more softer, more put up and more cleaner. तो आप अगर ब्लाइंड्स लगाते हैं अपनी स्पेस में, कोई ड्रेप्स लगाते हैं, मेक श्योर यू हैंग द ड्रेप्स फ्रॉम अबव. लाइक आपकी जहाँ पे विंडो है ना, उससे थोड़ा आपको स्पेस 6 इंचेस या उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्पेस छोड़ के ब्लाइंड को हैंग करना है. इट विल लुक more appealing, it will look more aesthetically nice. And make sure the drapes don't go below the floor, like it shouldn't be dragging on the floor, it shouldn't be layering on the floor, but yet it should touch the floor enough that it doesn't look short. तो आपका जो ड्रेप है, जो भी आपका फॉल आ रहा है कर्टन का, वो छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए, आपकी फ्लोर को टच करना चाहिए, लेकिन इतना लंबा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि पूरे फ्लोर पे वो स्प्रेड हो रहा है. सो मेक श्योर दैट it is hung in this manner, which will look very appealing to the eye. So sometimes in the house, what happens is we have these electric boxes, thermostats, or some sort of unnecessary things in the most unwanted place, and we don't know how to work us around it. तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम उसको हम conceal कर सकते हैं. We can just put something over it so that it doesn't steal from the whole look. How you can do it? You can just what I have done in my home is, as soon as we enter, we have a box with all the rotary switches and all the cutouts and everything, and I have just framed it and put a beautiful painting over it. You can put anything if you want, you can create something over it, but it is a box, and over the box, instead of having the veneer, I am having a painting. I have Lord Narsimha over it. It's supposed to take away all the evil from your house, so anybody who enters with a malign intention can just take it away from our house. And plus it looks very beautiful because he has a grandeur about himself, so 2 in 1. So you can do the same. You can hang a hat, or you can have a painting, or maybe you can have another art piece around it so that it looks like something of that art piece. So in that way you should try to conceal the whole abrupt situation, and it will look more neater. At least try to fold better. If you fold your linens, if you fold your clothing in a more compact, more cleaner fashion, then your whole home will look more organized and more pleasing. As soon as you open the drawers, and if you see the clutter in your drawers, and if you don't find the things easily, it will ultimately bring down the whole look of the house. What you can do is fold your clothing, fold your towels in a fashion which looks more appealing to the eye. It's easier to pack them also. When you're on travel, it's easy to just grab them and put it in your bag. And for the towels, I would like to say, try to fold it in a fashion which is usually you see in the spas, and for that you have to switch to my Instagram handle. I'll show you on that. You can switch to it and you can watch the video. I'll share a reel soon. So with that, I hope all of these ideas, all of these hacks help you create a more luxe, more high-end look. I keep on working on certain things which I like to share with all my friends on YouTube, and I hope if you haven't subscribed, you will subscribe as soon as you view this, and take very good care of yourself and your home. Until next time, love you all. Bye bye.